Now, while trading the market, the movement of price from one point to another point is also measured in pips. That is, the distance from one price point to another price point is called pips. That is pips, P-I-P-S. That is, for example, price can go from $1 to $2. The distance between $1 and $2, that measurement is called pips. And it could be, for example, for instance, 50 pips. That is 50 pips from $1 to $2, or from $5 to $20. The price movement in the market is measured in pips. It's called pips, P-I-P-S. So just understand it. So when you say a candlestick move, now that candlestick, the size of that candlestick, the length of that candlestick rather, is measured in pips. So that candlestick might be 20 pips long, 50 pips long, 5 pips long, 10 pips long. Pretty straightforward. Hope you understand that. Peace out.